And since we were in Batangas the last weekend, so nag-Robinson's Lipa tayo, and Robinson's Lipa has a book sale. So let's check what's our haul for Robinson's Lipa. Friend, we are so into books, kaya ang dami nating books. But yan, magagamit natin yan in our everyday activity. Medyo mabigat siya. Invincible Living. Yan, 125 siya. Medyo expensive ah. The Power of Yoga, The Energy of Breath, and Other Tools for a Radiant Life. So, it's hardbound siya. Oh. Yan, medyo madilim na yun. So, ano ba yan? So, mga balance emotions. So, mga activities yan. Prosperity. Ayan. So, yan. By Guru Hagat. Yan. Then, the Detox Diet. This one is for 50 pesos. This is 125. Medyo expensive na yun para sa atin, but it's hardbound. And this, Healing Back. Ayan. 50 pesos sa ating frozen shoulder. May mga exercises siya. Ayan. So, it's Healing Back. Ayan. Parang maano ang ating frozen shoulder. So, yan ang ating our haul from Robinson's book sale in Lipa. Thank you for watching, friend. Let's keep on reading. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.